Developed in collaboration with Bay Insulation, the Butler Guarded Hotbox tests actual 8 by 10-foot roof and wall assemblies to provide accurate thermal performance data. This eliminates the need to rely on nominal or theoretical data provided by most building product manufacturers. A state-of-the-art computerized data acquisition system collects information from up to 300 sensors used to measure the temperature, humidity, airflow, and total energy consumed during a 3-day test period. The results are expressed as the actual U-factor performance of the assembly. Determining the actual thermal performance data of roof and wall assemblies is important for many reasons. It enables Butler to provide building systems that deliver the energy efficiency they promise. Additionally, it assures compliance to energy codes and allows Butler builders to provide accurate estimates of a building's HVAC requirements. Putting our products to the test to assure superior performance. It's all part of the Butler difference.